Hello! Nico, ano na? Nag-live ako kanina sa TikTok, pero parang naglalag siya sa akin. So, tinigil ko na lang. Ate M, nasan ka? Jayla, I miss you too. Are you going to watch Olivia Rodrigo? Hi, Ate Donalicious Bake Shop. Miss ko na yung mga cake mo. Hi, Ate Phil Fashion. Excited na ako sa mga pasalubong mo sa akin ng Mofu Sand. Nasa daan. Saan daan? Pumunta ka dito? Punta ka sa Naga? Hi, Ate Milsey. Okay, so, get ready with me, no? Obviously, tara na. Get ready with me. I saw you at KMC1 Ayala. Saan yun? Sobrang ganda. Thank you. Grabe yung memory ko. It's not giving anymore. Okay, so I moisturized my face using the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. So, ayan. Nasa Naga ka po? Yes! Yes, may show kami later sa Robinsons. Kasama ko ang cast, some of the cast members of Pamilya Sagrado and Lavender Fields. And of course, kami ni Jello. Kami mga saling kit-kit lang dito. Pero excited na kami, mamaya. Punta na kami ng Robinsons sa mga 6 p.m. So, I'm just moisturizing my under eye also. Nakakaya, ang dami ko nakikitang kilala ko na nanonood ng live ko. Nakakahiya. Ayan, this is the partner of this one, pero for the under eye naman. Can't wait sa Mujige. Thank you! I can't wait na din. Sobra akong excited na mapanood na ninyong lahat. Sobrang one of the best shooting experiences. Kamusta traffic papunta? Parang hindi naman po kami na traffic. In fact, ang bilis nga lang eh. Ang bilis na ng biyahe from airport to the hotel. Are you happy that Katie went back to school? Of course! Why won't I be? Okay, so I'm done with moisturizing my face. Next, I'm gonna use a primer. This is not a primer. I'm gonna use this Milk Hydro Grip. I don't like this, honestly. Every time I use it, nagpapacha yung makeup ko. But I'm gonna try again. Kasi baka kasalanan ko or may ginagawa akong mali. Sayang naman, punong-puno pa. Binili ko to. Hindi ko rin nagagamit kasi parang nagbabalat. So, let's try kung gaganda siya dahil nag-prep ako ng skin, nag-moisturize ako ng maigi. Kailan visit mo here sa Singapore? I don't know. I hope soon. I miss Singapore so much. I miss Hawker here. I'm gonna put a little KKKK Milk Hydro Grip. Let's try. Nasa Naga ka na po ba now? Yeah, kanina pang morning. Bawal mag-music dito, no, sa IG. Arabian makeup. Pag ako lang gagawa sa sarili ko, feeling ko hindi ko yun kaya ma-achieve. Hindi naman ako sobrang galing mag-makeup. M&M makeup lang. Yung mapagtsatsagaan lang. Oh, it's so sticky. San pong Naga? I'm so bad at geography and places. So, di ko alam kung... Ate Ami, alam mo ba kung nasaan tayo? Sa Naga? Hindi rin namin alam. Basta alam ko, pupunta kami Robinsons. Kasi, pumunta lang akong airport, tapos sumakay lang ako ng airplane. Tapos wala na. Kahit saan nyo na ako dalhin. Anong ginagamit nyo pag nagkikilay kayo? Ito, may tatry akong bago later. So, yung mga makeup, yung ibang makeup na gagamitin ko ngayon, mga bago kong delay yung iba. Tapos yung iba, new PR. Like yung sa Lucky Beauty na eyebrow product. I will try it later. Tagal ko nang di nagme-makeup sa sarili ko. Parang marunong pa ba ako? Hindi ko na sure. Okay, so I've primed ang lagkit-lagkit. Siguro naman, carry na to. Lagkit. Malagkit siya nga. I haven't used this. Kasi naman, grip primer nga naman. Okay. Okay, so ganyan. It looks quite sticky. Bakit di ako kaganda pagkatapos ng mahabang biyahe? Kasi hindi naman mahaba yung biyahe ko. Kaya maganda pa. Pero pag mahabang biyahe, hindi na din. Don't worry, pantay-pantay lang tayo dito. You look so star good with clean girl makeup. I don't know what makeup look I wanna do tonight. Pero I'm so excited kasi I'm gonna watch Olivia Rodrigo. So, my friend and I were so lucky. Nakabili kami ng ticket. Although, ang layo ng seat. Upper box ata kami. Pero okay na yun. Pwede na yun. Hopefully, makabili pa ng... Ayoko bumili sa scalper. Bahala na. Hindi ko na rin alam. Anyway, let's go. I'm done with priming. So, first things first. I secured tickets for Mujige. Yeah! Thank you so much. When are you gonna watch? So, this is the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. I just, rehomed? Nilagay ko lang siya sa ibang container. Kasi, I had 2. And then, alam kong expired naman na ata sila kasi sobrang tagal na. So, trinay ko. Iba na nga ang amoy. Huwag niyo akong gayahin. Pero pwede pa to. Ako lang naman ang gumagamit. So, yan. Pampa-glow. Pampa-gorgeous. Can I expect a Hong Kong vlog? No, you cannot. I'm sorry. I didn't really vlog for YouTube. I just took videos for reels. That's all. Our Hong Kong trip was honestly so exhausting, but so fun. Kasi we didn't go to Hong Kong naman just to a vacation. We really went there for work. So we filmed a music video for KD's song Be With You for the Hong Kong tourism. And it was a tiring shoot kasi syempre ang dami namin inikot. It was quite hot, but it was so fun. And I was so in the moment, in the zone. I barely took photos, which I am now regretting. Nakasecure ka ng tickets sa Olivia. Honestly, ako hindi. Hindi ako pinalad. Yung friend ko yung pinalad. Nag-queue ako, tapos nung check-out na, ayaw na din. Pero yung friend ko pinalad siya. So, thank you. I love my friends. I love you, Pao. Thank you. So, what am I putting on my face? What am I putting, you ask? This is the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. I don't think it's a foundation. I don't use it as a foundation. But it makes me feel pretty when I put it. Like, I feel immediately gorgeous when I have it on my face. Like, the glow is there. And, yeah. I mean, maganda. Parang hindi na dull yung skin ko. So, ang hirap pala pag dito ako nagme-makeup kasi hindi ko nakikita, hindi ko pala nabe-blend ng maayos. KKK! And then we're going to color correct the under eyes. So, this is Natasha Denona. Under eye corrector. So, if there's one thing I love and hate about my face, it is my dark under eyes. Meron po ba yan sa Orange app? Which one? Which one ang meron sa Orange app? The Charlotte Tilbury? Or the color corrector? I love you so much, Alexa from Zamboanga. Thank you. I love you too. Jocelyn? I'm assuming that's a Jocelyn. At ilang days ka po nasa Naga? 1 lang, today lang. Uwi na rin kami tomorrow morning, if I'm not mistaken. What brand of makeup are you using? So there's not one specific brand. Different. I use different for concealer, foundation, whatever. Naka-braces ka? No. Labubo ko yung gusto ko naka-braces. Wala ka sa PBB later? Wala po. Sorry. Kasi nasa Nagami today. Rocket tayo today. I'm gonna use the sponge. This is my favorite sponge. It's from Lucky Beauty. And I'm just going to blend the under eye corrector. Please do pronounce my name. What's your name? We'll watch Mujige. Yay! Thank you so much. Yay! I'm so happy and I'm so excited. I hope you love it. Watching from Cebu. Thank you, Gracelyn. So, ayan. What song are you obsessed with at the moment? Sabrina Carpenter's album. Not a song, sorry. Ganda ng teeth mo. Complete pa teeth mo. That's such a weird question to ask. But thank you. I have a great dentist. I love my dentist in SM Marikina. You should go there. Nasaan si KD? Grabe naman yung all caps. Para naman tinago ko si KD. Nag-work din siya. Magkaiba kami ng racket today. Watching from Spain. Ooh, I've always wanted to visit Spain. So this is why I have to start early with my makeup. It's almost 4 and I haven't done anything. Okay, next step. Foundation. Fundacion. My favorite foundation. Hey, stop being so silly, Millie. Hello, Milson. How are you? You have perfect features. Grabe naman sa perfect. Hindi naman. But thank you so much. So, sana hindi ko madumihan yung top ko, no? Wala kasing bathrobe dito. Shout out, Ate Michelle. Maraming salamat sa iyong buhay. I love you and I miss you. Regina Teresita. Ay, hindi ko papansinin ito. Okay. Tagal ko na itong di nagagamit. Lumalapot na siya agad-agad. Pero this is my favorite. So, 2 pumps. Sobra-sobra na to. This is the Laura... this is the Laura Mercier Real Flawless Weightless Perfecting Foundation. Ang mahal na to, 3.5. Pero, worth it siya for me. Sobrang favorite ko to talaga. So, ayan. Sana hindi ko madumihan yung self ko. Si self, huwag nating dumihan. Shout out mamaya sa PBB. Oh, wala po ako later. Manipis lang siya, pero buildable naman siya. So, kung gusto mong kapalan, just add more. Pero ako kasi ayoko naman ng makapal na foundation. Konting bilis lex. Ay, hindi mo yan makukuha sa akin. Hindi nyo ako mapagmamadali. Alam nyo yan, mabagal ako mag-makeup. Super bagal, overload. So, ayan, i-blend lang natin. Do you eat rice pa? I eat shirataki rice. Pero kapag wala akong choice, like ito ngayon, nasa ibang lugar ako, wala naman akong baon na shirataki rice. So, kakain ako ng rice, pero konti lang. Shirataki rice talaga ang aking love of my life. As in, kung meron akong ipagpapasalamat sa Diyos gabi-gabi, yun ay nag-invento siya ng shirataki rice. Thank you so much. Pero yung ulam ko, wala, kahit ano. Kung anong gusto ko. Pero syempre, iwas ako sa mga high and fat food, ganyan. Ang ganda nung foundation, no? Wala lang, makinis lang. I love it. Napaka-natural na foundation mismo. Kaya I really, really, really like it. Watching from London. Oh, you're from London? It's nice to meet you. What's with that rice? Is it low carb? Yes, it is. If I'm not mistaken, it's made from a vegetable, a root vegetable, konjac. I have no idea how to pronounce it. But yeah, that one. And 1 cup of that, let's say, has, this is not precise, but maybe like 40 calories compared to the normal white rice that has 200 plus calories, I guess. So, yeah. Pero, ang nipis ng mukha. Okay, ito din yun. Nagpapabelo din ako. Sobrang the best yung V-Contour Ultra ng Belo. As in, kahit hindi ako maging sponsored ng Belo, I will pay to get V-Contour done. It's a non-invasive treatment. And it changed the shape of my face. I love it. My face used to be very squarish. So, unti-unti ko na siyang nababago thanks to that injection. Injection lang siya, walang opera, walang downtime, nothing. It's the best. Okay, sorry, mga 1 hour na ata akong Hi, Ate Fatima! How are you? Si Ate Fatima Beltran Couture. Siya gumawa ng mga ibang clothes ko dun sa concert at usually ibang mga sinusuot ko. Lalo na pag mga bedazzled or bejeweled, yan. Siya gumagawa nun. Okay, what's next after foundation? Shocks. Oh, I bought new blush-ons. I bought the Rhode. I gave in. Meron akong bagong favorite shop dito sa IG. Doon ako bumibili ng makeup. I will just search it and let you know. Makeup Cart PH. Makeup Cart PH. Sa kanila ako bumili na tong Rhode. Kasi ang mahal sa iba. Okay, next. Ano bang next? Brows, no? Brows, I guess. So, I got a package from Lucky Beauty. This is parang from their brow line kasi Blythe is known for having gorgeous eyebrows. So, I think it's just right that she comes out with brow products. Tsaka, yung isa sa pinakaunang sumikat sa Lucky Beauty is their brow grip, diba? So, I think this is a reformulated version. Shucks, di ko kasi dala yung box. So, this is the brow grip extra hold. Extra hold. Kasi mag-show ako today. So, dapat extra hold talaga. Okay, I just have to brush my brows first. Oh, no. Don't tell me I didn't bring... Oh, no. Oh, here. I brought it. May ipis sa likod. May ipis pa tayo. Gina-joke mo ko. Kung hindi multo ipis, ba't kayo ganyan? Okay. Pa-shout out po sa 1K mag-wow. Shout out. Okay, wow, this does look very gripping. Okay, let's try. I don't know how to use this. Hindi ko binasa yung nakalagay sa package. Pero, let's see. Quinoa do you eat? I don't like quinoa. I used to eat it. Pero ayoko kasi sa quinoa. Pag nalagyan ng sabaw or may sabaw yung ulam, di na siya masarap. Momshies of KDLX are watching the block screening of Muji Gay at SM Megama. Oh, hope to see you there. I think you will. Paano ka po mag-apply ng blush? I'll show you guys later, but first, I'm gonna do the brows. Damn, malagkit nga siya. Whoa, okay. So, I don't do crazy things with my brows because I don't know how. Oh my god, ang lagkit nga. Sandali. Oh, wait. I think you have to be... Ay, hindi naman. Nabe-blend. Naayos naman siya. Boogs! Kita nyo yon? Damn. What? Look at the difference. That's crazy. I don't know if I like my brows super feathered though. But, whoa. Anyway, let's do the other. Para pantay, syempre. Di pantay. Syempre po, hindi pantay. Kasi kabila pa lang po nalalagay ko. Patience, my child. Patience is a virtue. Ngayon, papantayin natin. Or I will do my best para pantayin. Roar. Wow! Anong height ni Jesus sa personal? Hindi ko po alam yung height niya. Let's ask his doctor. Charot. Pero feeling ko 6-footer kasi sobrang tangkad niya eh. Sa liit ko pang to. Okay, na-amaze ako. Hala, ang taas. Ay, oh my god. Si OA. Ang taas ng kilay, sandali. Masyado siyang umangat. Bababa ko lang ng slide kasi kumapal naman siya ng sobra. But I don't know, is it supposed to be like this? I'm not good with my eyebrows. Ibaba ba dapat? Like, nipisan ba? Like, hindi ko alam. Miss Alexa, anong pabango mo? Araw-araw iba-iba. Iba-iba pabango ko. Today, I'm using Margiela Replica in Bubble Bath. Parang okay naman yung kilay. Masyadong makapal. I know. Paano ba? I brush it. Okay, I will brush it. Okay. There, is that better? Ang kapal nga nung kilay ko. Pwede pala yun, no? Pwede pala yung mangyari sa kilay ko. Umangat ng sobra. Okay, babawasan ko siya. Ayan. Ayan, pwede na. Better na ba? Baba lang konting-konti. Alin? Left, right. Better na. Okay, better. Mukha na siyang kanina pahigad na yung kilay ko. Okay. Thank you naman Ate Michelle ha. Nanonood ka ng buong TikTok live. Hanggang matapos ako, dapat andito ka ha. So, gusto ko lang muna itong linisin kasi nalagyan siya ng foundation. Ate, pwede ako pasuyo. Pwede ako pahingi ng tissue. Okay, next. What's next? Sa kilay, ano ko lang to. Tingin nyo, i-fill in ko pa siya. Kasi, makapal naman na yung kilay ko eh. So, baka pag pinensilan ko pa, sobrang kapal na. Here. Thank you, te. Ito lang. Linisin ko lang. Yung foundation. Dapat pala nauuna tong gawin. Kasi dumudumi siya. Yan. Hindi na siya puti. Ayan. Okay. Yan. Okay na siya. Matagal na kitang idol. Oh, thank you so much. Okay, next. What's next? Kasi may pinadala din ng Lucky Beauty na brow duo. So, here we have this pen for the brows. And here we have the other kind of pen. But, I'm afraid, hindi ako magaling magkilay. So, baka mamaya, kung ano na magawa ko sa kilay ko. So, okay, I'll leave it at this. I'll leave it like this first. Kasi madali naman magdagdag, okay? Next, do we go for the contour or the blush first? I think the contour first. So, ang dinala kong contour today, I brought the Strokes one. Kasi hindi ko siya nagagamit at gusto kong magamit lahat ng... Yung dulo lang i-fill in mo. Okay, I will fill in later. So... This is a bit cool tone. So, this is a contour rather than it is a bronzer, I guess. Ang gamit mong foundation, but ang ganda ng shade. Laura Mercier po. I really went to the mall to shade match kasi mahal siya. So, I can't afford na magkamali ako sa shade. So, nagpunta talaga ako ng mall to make sure na tama. Okay. Konti lang muna. Kahit alam kong dadagdagan ko naman siya mamaya. And this is my waiting sa new blush. Sige. Ito na. Next step na siya after ng contour. So, okay. Now, we're going to blend. I don't know if I should use this side or this side. But, yeah, maybe this side. Pag mini-makeup pa ako ng makeup artist, lagi ko sinasabi po, order po ng 5 kilong contour. Contour is the best. Tapos nakita ko sa mga Korean makeup artists, pag ganyan sila mag-contour or bronze, parang ganyan. So, syempre gagayahin natin, no? Kahit di naman tayo marunong. Eme-eme lang. Ito din ang isang bagay na hindi ko magawa-gawa ng maayos. Sa'yo lang ako natuto mag-makeup. Oh, thank you, Ali. Natuto ko sa hindi din marunong. Paano yon? Nagmamarunong lang ako eh. Hello, KD Estrada. Oh, I think I know you. I think I know you. Okay. Okay. Tama bang ginagawa ko? Hindi ko nakikita gaano. Okay. Pwede naman tayo magdagdag ng contour. Ay, si OA, ang dami. We're just adding some warmth back to our face. Kasi pagkatapos ng foundation, mukha tayong itlog. OMG, really? Yeah, parang I watch you on TikTok. You're doing the duet thing. Very good, huh? Very cutie pie also. Very demure. Okay, iba yung ilaw kasi dito sa phone. Brand ng contour, it's from Strokes. Slay. Enough na po sa contour. No, Arlen, you can't tell me what to do. I love contour. You cannot stop me. Just kidding. Pero wala, papantayin ko lang naman. Okay lang yan. Kulang pa nga to sa contour eh. Kung kilala mo talaga ako, alam mong kulang. I'm holding back pa. So, ayan, papantayin ko lang. Gusto ko yung mukhang putik na. Ganon. Okay. For some reason, yung balat ko may patch dito na hindi ko maintindihan. Hindi ko lang kung kita nyo siya. Pero kahit anong lagay ko ng contour or blush, pantay na tayo. O sige, titigil na ako. Ito na, sige na. Baka awayin nyo na ako eh. Asan yung takip ito? Sabi nyo pantay. Pag ito mamaya, tinignan ko. Tapos hindi pantay. Okay, ito na. Blush na. Blush. So, I have 2 new blushes from Rhode. So, binili ko yung Spicy Marge. Sabi ko, di na ako bibili ng makeup. Sabi ko, di na ako mabubudol ng kahit sinong magandang babaeng gumamit nito. Pero nabudol pa rin ako. So, meron akong Spicy Marge, tsaka si Toasted Teddy. So, sa totoo lang, hindi ko talaga gusto bilhin si Toasted Teddy kasi natatakot ako sa shade niya na i-intimidate ako kasi I don't have a blush this dark. And hindi siya mura, sobra. Pero sa Makeup Cart PH na siya pinaka-okay yung price. So, I don't know which one I should use. I think I'll go with, sabi, yung Toasted Teddy, it's a very unique shade and it can give this sun-kissed look. So, nabudol ako kasi I love sun-kissed. Where did you get? Hi, Ate Kat! I got it from Makeup Cart PH. Send ko yung link sa'yo. Budulan. Girl cousins, budulan. Swatch mo muna. Fine. So, this is Spicy Marge. Ito yung first kong binili kasi lahat ng blush ko pink. Tas, ang sabi sa akin ng makeup artist, mas bagay din daw yung coral-ish. So, parang ito yung gitna nun. Hindi sobrang pink, hindi sobrang... Send link. Paano mo maglagay ng link dito? Basta, search nyo dito sa IG. Umalis muna kayo dito sa live ko. Search nyo, Makeup Cart PH. Yun yung username niya. Makeup Cart PH. Yan po ba look nyo mamaya? Ay, wala po ako sa late ka na. Hindi pa ako late. 6 p.m. pa pull out. Sandali. Huwag nyo akong madalihin. Okay, next. This is Rhode. Spicy Marge. Iniikot lang ata to. Okay. Nanghihinayang ako sa swatch. Ayan. Ayan siya. Cutesy. Very cutesy. And then we're gonna swatch Toasted Teddy. I pray to God na bagay to sa akin. Parang brown ba to? Rusty? Huh? Ganyan siya. I saw you kanina sa airport. Super ganda nyo. Thank you so much. Super ganda. Walang tulog pa. Wala pa sa ulirad kanina morning. But I think I'm gonna use this for today's video. So, I'm going to slowly, little by little, place this here. Gagamitin ko yung nasa back of my hand. Love the first one. Yeah, this is the one. Ang current obsession ko is Fui. Are you familiar with that brand? Fui Blurry Pudding Pots. So, it's really for the lips. But, it's a very versatile product. So, you can use it on the eyes or wherever you want. And yun yung favorite kong blush. Pero, sobrang favorite ko mag-makeup. Yung makeup artist ko ngayon, si Ate Anggetan. Ginagaya ko nga pati yung brush niya eh. Kasi maliliit yung mga brush na gamit niya. Ate Michelle, nandito ka pa ba? Kasi nagbablush na ako. Diba ito yung iniintay mo? The blush. Okay, and then I'm just gonna put a little bit because we have blush blindness. And I don't wanna go overboard right away. Madali magdagdag, mahirap magtanggal. Parang sweet ko lang. Parang sinabihan ni crush na ang ganda mo, tas nag-blush ka lang. Namula lang yung pisngi mo na. Ganun. Ganda siya. In fair, maganda siya. Sige, i-justify ko yung price niya. Maganda siya. I should buy more. Oh no! Oh no. Hala, nadagdag na naman. Nagdagdag na naman siya. Hindi tayo matatapos dito. Bagay like Cutie Pie, no? Yung shade. Ito, I didn't know what shade to buy at first. Kasi ang daming shade, nakaka-overwhelm. Tapos lahat parang maganda. Nakita ko yung video ni Elise Hoso na nag-swatch siya lahat ng shade nito. Tapos lahat maganda eh, kasi ang ganda naman niya. Pag maganda talaga, lahat bagay sa kanya. So, ayun, akala ko hindi magpapabudol. Akala ko din eh. Madaming namamatay sa maling akala. Kaya, ayun. Siyempre, mabubudol tayo kasi at the end of the day, lagi kong sinasabi, deserve ko to. Lahat na lang dineserve ko. Kaya, ayan, we're broke eh. Konti lang muna natin. Madali magdagdag. Tsaka madami akong biniling bagong blush on. Ay, naku, papakita ko sa inyo. Ito ang ganda-ganda. Ito ginagamit sa akin ni Ate Angge. Ito talaga. As in, budol. Tignan nyo naman, kaganda naman. Ang ganda naman. This is it's from a Korean brand, Hints. I think that's how you pronounce Hints. Gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, ito na muna. So, ano bang next? Di na ako marunong mag-makeup. Lagyan ko rin yung nose ko para kunyari sun care. Ay, ang ganda nung nilagyan ko yung nose ko. Did you see that? Did you see that change? Ang dami mo ng blush. Yes. Ang dami ko ng makeup, period. Kahit isa lang naman yung mukha ko. Pero nag-declutter ako recently. As in, kalahati ng collection ko natanggal ko. And when I declutter, hindi ko yung tinatapon. Yung iba, lalo yung mga colorful, yung mga glitter, I donated sa ibang mga makeup artist friends ko, ganyan. Tapos sinashare din nila sa mga starting drag queens. Kaya, napupunta sa magandang kamay ang mga makeup ko. Kasi karamihan doon, di pa gamit talaga. As in, or nag-swatch lang ako, tapos wala na. Declutter para magdagdag ulit. Oh, Ali, you know me so well. Literally. Para mag-space for new makeup, diba? Diyan natin ma-justify. Kapag nagtanggal, papalitan. Tama. Okay, next. Eyeshadow? Mag-eyeshadow ba tayo? Don't tell me. Sabi ko na. Iiwan ko yung eyeshadow. Wala akong dalang eyeshadow. Ano yun? Naiwan ko yung eyeshadow ko. Shucks. Oh no. Sabi ko na may naiwan ako eh. Sabi ko na eh. Oh well. I guess I'll just use blush on. Yung brows fill in muna. Okay. Ito na. Sabi mo yung dulo lang, diba? So do I use this? Okay. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm gonna try anyway. Am I doing something? This is from Lucky Beauty, by the way. And the shade gray brown. I hope this is good. Okay. Yung dulo lang. Yan lang. Pwede na yan. Tama na, guys. Okay na to. Baka kung ano pang magawa ko. Yan lang. Dudulo lang. Kasi sabi, kalbo daw eh. Sorry na. Pwede na yan. Ayoko na, guys. Okay na to. Ganda ng blush on. Ate M, budol na natin. Ibudol na natin silang lahat. Okay, next. What's next after that? I'm gonna do my eyes. But I don't have anything so naiwan. I'll just use blush on. I'll just use blush on for my eyes. Let's try. This is also one of my favorite blushes. This is from MAC. Anong eyes ng hair mo? Wala, kukulutin ko lang. Di ako marunong mag-hair eh. KKK, eyeshadow brush. I'm going to try. So our look today is a bit corally. Like so. Okay, we're just gonna try. I'm really bad at eyeshadow. For someone who loves makeup, I'm not so good at putting it. Pero, pwede naman na. Like, pasang-awa. My scent of the day is Maison Margiela. Wow. Replica in Bubble Bath. It's one of my favorites. Very clean girl. Yeah. KD, are you still here? KD, are you here? Or did you leave already? Come back. Yung background parang nasa confession room, nasa hotel lang. Konti lang ilalagay ko. May lipstick ba na, anong shade, No, mamaya pa tayo magli-lipstick. That, nya. That's my favorite thing to say. Nya. Okay. You tell me kapag pantay na, okay? Cause, inutusan, tas ako pa yung galit na, sorry. Please tell me kapag pantay na. Cause, my eyes are really bad. I forgot so many things. I forgot my contact lens. I forgot, I have my eyelashes. And you're gonna watch me struggle. Should I pursue her or not? Why not? Does she wanna be pursued though? Have you asked her? May pumasok sa mata ko. Anong tips sa mga girly na hindi marunong gumamit ng brushes? What do you mean? Like, masanay ka mag-makeup na kamay lang gamit mo? If yes, ang galing mo. But, I mean, you can always learn. Te, pantay na. Okay, te, nagbe-blend lang ako. Wait lang. Di ba may grado eyes mo? Paano yan? Meron. Wala. Bulag lang tayo for the day. Anong masasabi mo? Nasabi ni Marian Rivera, bagay na bagay kay ni KD. Nangisay si self. Nangisay, sumigaw, naiyak. Grabe, yung idol mo, sinabi na bagay kayo, wala na. Hindi talaga pwedeng mabuwag ang KD Lex kasi sabi ni Marian Rivera, bagay daw kami. Hindi pwede. Okay, next. Lagyan natin ng shimmer para lang kunyari nag-effort tayo. Kasi pag may shimmer, may glitters, maganda na agad. I'm gonna use my new blush. I'm gonna use my new blush for my eyes. But I don't know what brush to use, so maybe my finger. Oh, it's so pretty. Sobrang ano lang niya, very subtle, very kalmado. Parang hindi. Parang gusto ko yung pack na pack. Walang kalma for today. Parang walang masyadong naambag to. Okay, papalitan natin. I have this new liquid highlighter from Sunny's and I'm so excited to use it. As a matter of fact, let us try it on the eyes. Just a little. Oh. I brought the shade Stellar. Only you, Alexa, bagay kay Contour KD. Yes, I'm just gonna say yes. I don't know what you meant by Contour KD, but yes. But I don't know kung pwede to sa eyes. But wala tayong magagawa. Kasi nilagay ko na. Ooh, pretty. Ganda ng nails mo. Te, hindi. Ginat-ngat ko na siya. Maganda to a few weeks ago. Thank you to Extraordinaire. Hindi pala, buwan na pala. Hindi na to weeks. Busy din siguro si KD. Actually, nasa gym siya ngayon. Di ba nagpa-LASIK ka? Yeah, pero bumalik ang grado ng aking mata. Pero kasalanan ko, di ko nalagaan. Okay, madali magdagdag. Again, madali natin tong lagyan lang natin ng eyeliner. Pili tayo ng eyeliner. Anong gusto nyong gamitin kong eyeliner? Si Life Ford or si Too Faced? Too Faced. I'm not sure. I think this is black. And this is brown. Now is the time you will watch me struggle. Ang sarap sa feeling mag-unbox ng new makeup products. Totoo. Ang sarap din sa feeling alam niyo mga anik-anik na uso ngayon? So, ang favorite ko is Mofu Sand. And you buy the blind bags. Ang mahal ng isa. Parang 800 plus isa. Tas, alam mo yung moment of joy kapag na-open mo na siya. And then the joy just leaves when it's done. So, we have to buy a new one again. Okay. Now, hindi tayo pati mag-usap right now. Kailangan ko mag-concentrate. Kasi eyeliner ako. At hindi ako magaling talaga mag-eyeliner. So, magsaing muna kayo. Manonood muna kayong TV. Maligo muna kayo. Medyo matagal-tagal ito. Okay. Shucks. Ang dumi pa na salamin ko. Nakakaiyak. Ganito palang itsura ko sa malapitan. Pwede na. Ay. Pwede na. Pangit ang kapal. Pangit. Pwede na yan. So, should I do the whole eye or just this? Just this outer part? Or, yeah. Yeah. I'll do the other side. God bless. Dito magpapantay. O, diba? Ito maliit lang. Yung kabila ang kapal. Mas maganda tong kabila. Hole mo na. Okay. Copy. Dali akong kausap. Hindi humihinga. Fave mo na eyeliner, Heroin Make. There. That wasn't so bad, was it? Ang kapal lang talaga. Okay. I think pwede na yan. Hindi nyo na mahahalata na hindi siya pantay. Tara na, gana na ako. Papatayuin ko lang siya ng slight. Kasi pag nag-curl lash na ako ngayon, matatanggal yung nilagay kong eyeliner. So, right now, let's conceal. Let's conceal. This is the Dior. Hala, natay siya. Have you tried Vice Cosmetics? I haven't purchased any of my own yet, pero I've tried it kasi minsan yun din yung ginagamit sa akin ng makeup artist. So, I'm just gonna put a little. Because we already corrected our under eyes. Slay. Okay, and then we will blend that using this sponge. Yeah, let's just brighten it. Nagpupuyat ka po ba? Ay, oo. Okay, and then we're going to bake that or set it. May muta pa. Sandali. Tanggalin natin. Mujige. Yes, mujige. Ano yung mirror mo? It's actually powder. Parang mag-add lang ako ng a little more concealer. Oh no, ano nangyari sa concealer ko? Ba't siya nagtatae? Sayang naman. Madam, pansinin mo kung maliligo na ako. Hindi, huwag ka maligo. Hindi kailangan yan. Dito ka lang. Wow. Ano yan gamit mo na pressed powder? This is the Charlotte Tilbury powder. May premiere ba ang Mujige? Of course! September 8 ang aming premiere night. Once I have the details, I will let you guys know, of course. But for sure, it's September 8. Fairness naman dun sa primer, di naman siya nagbabalat today. So, siguro kailangan talaga moisturize yung skin. Baka dry lang sobra skin ko nun, kaya nagpapatch siya. Where is my brush? Ay, September 8. Sorry, October 8. Hala, October 8. Ang galing ko naman. October best. Sabi ko nga, thank you. Sorry na. Okay, let us bake that. My favorite powder of all time. And then, yung mga excess, pang bibake ko na ng buong mukha. There. Pero yung sa under eyes, ganyan na muna siya. At hindi pa dumadating yung ano no, room service. Hindi pa nila nakuha. Hindi pa. Matagal. Okay. Now, the hardest part. Eyelashes. Hindi ako marunong mag-eyelashes talaga. But I'll try. But first, I'm going to curl my lashes. Now this, I know how to do. Put your back together, and if that's true. For everyday use ba yung Tilbury? Yeah, pwede naman. Anong pinang-bake mo? Laura Mercier. Baking powder. Favorite lip brand? Right now, I really like Absidy. Absidy Beauty. Yung lip oil nila. Sobrang I love it. Okay. Now that's curled, we can put our lashes. Okay. Hindi ka po ba mag-lip set? And pa, sa dulo pa. Now for the hardest part in the world. Lashes. God bless talaga. God bless na lang. Kung anong oras tayo matapos sa pagla-lashes. Okay. What lashes should I use? I will try this. Let's try this. Pero madumi na siya. Pero wala. Try lang natin. Okay. Put some glue on that. God bless, natatakot na ako. Feeling ko hindi ko to magagawa. Anong shade ng Absidy? Pakita ko sa inyo yung gagamitin ko later. Okay. God bless. Oh no. No. Hey. Ah. Rawr. Hold, stay put. Don't. I'm gonna hold it down first. Umaangat siya. Use tweezers. I can't. The more I can't put eyelashes when I use tweezers. Oh. God bless. I'm gonna try to use this other eyelash glue. This is from Kiss New York. It's like an eyeliner. It's really cool. So I will just try. I give up. Let's see. Oh no, dumikit. Oh, okay. That's not so bad. That's actually not so bad. That's not too bad. Alright, I just hope hindi siya titikwas. But alright, next I'm going to put some mascara. This is my favorite mascara. It's from BLK. Para mag-blend yung real lashes and the false eyelashes. Slay! I did it! Huwag kang maglagay ng tilik mata, but I'm doing a show. I need it for the full look. See, look at that difference. It's much better. Okay, but we're not done. We have the other eye to do. So let's try and do that as quickly as we did the other one. Where is my glue? My glue is from Nippon. Now, I didn't buy these lashes. Ginamit to sa akin ni Ate Angge for showtime. And I kept it. Kasi sayang naman pag itapon. And since then, I think I've used this 3 times. So, this is gonna be my 4th. So, I think after this, I'm gonna let it rest. I'm gonna throw it away. Pero sabi nila, I just have to clean it naman daw. Tapos parang okay na. Oh, Cedric Marie, I miss you. Sino pa yung Angge? Angeline Quinto? Hindi po. Angeline Tan. Angge Tan. Oh, curl muna sa kabila. Thank you for reminding me. I did not remember to do that. Thank you so much. Buti pa naalala mo. Thank you. Alright, slay. Time to put this and then cry. Okay. Let's do this. Oh no, I can't. I can't say. Hey, that's not so bad. Hey, that's actually not so bad. I just hope it doesn't fly away. Dati, bumili ako ng magnetic eyelashes. Yung mga uso sa TikTok shop. Mahal-mahal. Parang 2.9 ba yung isang binili kong magnetic eyelashes. Nilipat. Tapos, nawala na. Di ko na siya mahanap. Nilipad sa show. Sumama. Gone with the wind. So, para lang akong tapon ng pera. Hey, that's not so bad. Okay, almost there. Alright. Then I'm going to put mascara again. Like what we did kanina. Slay. That wasn't so bad, was it? That was actually pretty good. Good job. Okay. Now we are going to blush again, the under eyes. While we remove the baking powder. What brand Falsies? I don't know eh. Ang alam ko lang, she bought it in Thailand. So, I'm not really sure. Ni-recycle ko lang to. Yay! That looks pretty good. Kaya need ko talaga mag-eyelashes today kasi wala nga akong nadalang eyeshadow. So there. We are just setting everything with this finishing powder. Slay. And then we'll contour, powder contour this time. There. Let's snatch that face. There. Hi, Kuya Kicks. There. This brush is from Kiko Milano. And also it's the bronzer. There. Sing? No, you can't sing here on Instagram. They will ban me. Okay, magna-nose line tayo. Syempre, hindi kompleto. Boosh. There. Did someone say rhinoplasty? Instant rhinoplasty. Slay. And then we're going to highlight that nose contour. Yes. And also the brow bone, we must highlight, of course. What's your highlight stick called? This one, it's from Kiko Milano. It's called Perfect Eyes Duo Highlighter Pencil. Kiko Milano, this one. But I'm still gonna use a liquid highlighter later. Okay, I'm gonna add more blush because why not? For the blush blindness. Slay. You have a setting powder. This one, the Charlotte Tilbury finishing powder. Kamusta katrabaho si Kim Jisoo? It was great. He's very nice, super professional, but very game. Watching from Japan. Oh, I miss Japan so much. shiny yung sa tabi ng nose mo. Yeah, I really put that. What brand yung blush? This is from Rhode. Spicy March. Okay, let's put some lipstick. But first, I will line my lips. This is from Vice Cosmetics. It's a lip liner in Kiss and Tell. But I'm not done with my eyes yet. I want to add more shimmer and stuff. Yes, but looks pretty good. Kayo lagi niyo akong pinapagmadali. Mag-lipstick ka na ate. Hindi, matagal ako mag-makeup. Take it or leave it. It takes time. And I'm a bagal. Okay, let's do this. So I realized na hindi pala bagay sa akin ang malaking labi kahit gustong gusto kong magkaroon ng malaking labi. Okay. But hindi bagay. It makes me look matured. Kapag sobrang overlined yung lips. So I won't do that. Okay, after that, I am just going to brush it and blend it kasi minsan nakaharshan ako sa pag sobrang line ng lips. And now, I will let you choose. So I have 2 lip oils standing in front of me. But only one is gonna make it in as America's Next Top Model, Turba, something like that. So I have 2. These are my favorites. I didn't bring a lot of lip products kasi alam ko ito lang ang gusto kong gamitin. This is from Absidy, my current favorite lip product. So we have the sort of this is a bit nude, so this is the shade Cashew, and this is the shade Love Bug, so obviously it's a bit pink. Would you like me to swatch it? So with this look, do you think I should go with the pink or with the nude? And I'm going to mix it with my favorite Romand Lippy in the middle to make that gradient effect. So I'll swatch it for you para may idea kayo. So this is Cashew. Ay, ang tsaka na swatch. Ang tsaka talaga. That's Cashew. It's nude. Quite nudish. And then I will swatch the pink. That's the pink. Sorry, my swatch is so bad. So I see a lot of you voted for nude, so alright. This is actually my favorite shade because it's so natural. It's like a My Lips but better actually. there. And because it's just very nude and very natural, I can put my favorite Romand lippy in the middle just for that gradient effect. Konting-konti lang. For the Korean feels. Just like that. And this is basically the whole look, but I'm just gonna add some finishing touches. Like more blush, more contour, more everything. Just cause I can. The lipstick, it's from Absidy Beauty. It's this one. Absidy Beauty in the shade Cashew. And we forgot highlight. I can't believe it. We're not done. We still have highlight. Again, this is the Sunny's highlighter in the shade Stellar. It's their new highlighter. I just don't know how to blend this, if it should be with a brush or a sponge, but let's try. So I'll use my fingers first. Ooh! Ooh! Nails po, anong tawag dyan? Bakbak. Bakbak na yung nails ko. Ooh! Look at that. It's so nice. Ang tagal mo. Sorry po. I'm so sorry, Miss Jonaline. Matagal po talaga ako. Sorry na. Sabi ko naman sa inyo, magsaing muna kayo, kaya maligo muna kayo. Kasi pagbalik nyo, nandito pa ako. Ang ganda no highlight. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. I love it. I'm gonna add more on my nose. Oh, so nice. How about my hair? Paplansyahin ko pa. But I don't think you guys wanna see that pa. Matagal ako magplansya ng hair. Ang ganda nung highlight. Slay. Anong brand ng highlight? It's from Sunny's Face. It's their new highlighter. I really like it. It's so good. It's called Glow Oil. Sorry, Glow On. Glow On. Glow On. Kasi kamukha niya yung kanilang blush on. Glow On in the shade Stellar. Sunny's Face. Oh, I love that. It's so nice. And maybe a little bit here on the top of my lip. Slay. I want to put also in the inner corners of my eyes, so I will try to do that. But first, okay, mag-aayos na tayo ng hair in a bit. Ah! Tuglog. Add lang akong glitter. Glitter. Anong brand yung red lipstick? It's Romand. Romand Juicy Lasting Tint in the shade 14 Berry Shot. It's my super favorite. Ang hirap niya hanapin. So, thank you, Ate Cahill, dahil binilan mo ako nito. Kasi dito, di ko na siya mahanap. Kiss mo nga ako. Sa swerte mo naman. Joke lang. But no, I do not give kisses for free. Tagal, me. Sorry na nga. Tagal talaga. Di pa nga tayo. I'm not even half done. Sige, lagay mo lahat ng new items mo. Kaya nga, ang saya kasi mag-makeup. Pag ang daming bagong makeup. Para ma-justify ko naman yung mga pinagbibili ko. Cute. Cute lang. Hindi pa nga tayo nag-eyeliner eh. Mag-eyeliner pa tayo. The Secret nude eyeliner. Not white, not black, nude. It will open your eyes. So I'm gonna touch my eyes, so if you don't like eye touching, look away. Subtle change. Such subtle change. Parang lumaki lang ng slight yung eyes. Ang ganda. There. I don't know the brand kasi maliit na lang siya. Walang nakalagay. May kahati siya pero nawawala. I know I have black eyeliner, but I don't know where it is. So never mind. I'm going to set my face now. We're going to set. We drowned in that setting spray. Para magtagal to hanggang mamaya. Kukunin ko yung aking electric pan. My setting spray is from MAC. Eto na, mag-ayos na tayo ng buhok. Ang pinaka-hate ko na part. Okay. And then, para matanggal ang mga basa, back to back. Eh, diba? Nawala na yung shine. Ang kintab ng mukha. Yes, because nag-highlight tayo and nag-setting spray. But there, it's gone. Trust the process. Slay. Okay. Now, I have to do my hair and I hate doing my hair. Late ka na, no. Maaga pa ako. I hate doing my hair so bad. Nakakatamad. Pero hindi, buburahin ko muna yung mga makeup na nilagay natin sa kamay kasi baka mahawa yung damit. Straight hair. Yes, I will straight hair for a change. 60 minutes left. Ayos kayo ah. Tinatimeran niyo ako. Bahala na kayo. Bahala kayo sa buhay niyo. Hindi niyo ako mapagmamadali. Ate Ami, pwede pasuyo? Ano ba? Yung plancha ko te sabon. Ando na ata ate. Tsaka yung clamp. Ano ate? Yung clamp ko. Nandiyan ata nakasabit ata sa bag. Or baka nasa loob. Sana gumana yung plancha ko. Kundi, iyak na lang ako. Okay, saksak na natin. Sa loob, te. Ang puti. Ayan, te. Please, gumana ka. Kundi, iiyak ako. Ay, salamat. So, this is my plancha. Parang high school pa lang ako nasa akin na tong plancha na to. My fave plancha in the world. Okay, so ikaklamp ko muna. We're going to section our hair. I am not good with this, so God bless. Okay. Ano pong brand? JML. JML yung brand ng plancha. Aray, sumabit. Aray. Nar. Okay. Okay, painitin lang natin yung plancha kasi hindi pa siya mainit. Kaka-on lang natin. Slay! Ganda ng highlight. Super. I love it. Wala pala akong nadalang mga eyeliner na pang glitter. Try ko to kung gagana to. Parang hindi. Hala, tumikos yung eyelashes. Oh no. Late ka na ulit-ulit. Hindi pa nga ako late. Mamaya pa kami aalis. Sobrang aga ko pa. Excited lang ako mag-makeup. Okay, tumikwas yung eyelashes. So, syempre, kailangan ko siyang ayusin. Hindi ka pa gumagamit ng hair oil. Pag kasi nagta-travel, hindi ako nag-check-in ng gamit. So, na-trauma na ako before na nagkamali ako, nagdala ako ng hair products, pati sunblock, tapos kinuha lahat sa airport. So, sobrang na-hurt ako doon. So, hindi ko na siya inulit. Hindi na ako nagdadala ng anything spray. Yung perfume na dala ko talagang 10 ml lang. Okay, I think we can start with our hair. Pero nung naligo naman ako, naglagay na ako ng mga kung ano-anong pang protect, ganon. Bawasan ko lang yung aking plancha. Yan, 180 lang tayo. So, baka pag madaliin nyo ako, matagal to mag-plancha. Okay, so kausapin nyo naman ako, nabobore ako mag-plancha ng buhok. Natatakot kayo na mapasok ko sarili ko. Don't worry, 1 million times ko nang nagawa yun. In fact, may peklat nga ako sa noo dahil sa sarili ko. miss my hairstylists. I don't like this. Tanggalan lang natin kasi baka mahawa ang damit. Naka-white pa naman ako. Cream pala, sorry. Slim. I wanna be toned. Like, look at my muscle. Okay. Straight naman na to, no? Pwede na to, no? Next na. Okay, next. Next. Nasa Kapamilya Caravan ka sa Naga. Yes! Will I see you later? Okay lang, te. Pag napagod na ako, pag nainip na ako mag-plancha, ikaw na. Yay! Yay! Pwede na yan. Nakangalit talaga mag-plancha. Sobra. Pag kapal-kapal pa ng buhok, nakakainis. Tapos mapapaso ka pa. Amoy sunog pa yung ulo mo. Ay, thank you, te. Ang liit pa ng suklay na dala ko. Cute lang. Yung oras na okay, matagal pa.
5 na.
Okay, saktong-sakto lang. May time pa ako para mag-practice. Yan, straight na. Tapos uulan mamaya. Tapos nakukulot lang ulit. Okay, let's do the other side. Bilisan mo na. Bakit nyo ba ako pinagmamadali? Kayo na lang kaya mag-live. Nagmamadali kayo lagi. Beauty takes time. Getting ready is a process. It is therapy for me. Talaga sa Instagram. Ate Kichi Kichi Boo Boo, what do you want? I'll give you a list. Let me know. Anong nagustuhan mo? Tenga. Laban lang, Miss Alexa Tiis Ganda. Totoo. Laban lang, fighting. Fighting na lang talaga sa Kaya mas gusto ko ng kukulot eh. Ang dali-dali magkulot ng buhok eh. It's not a repetitive motion. I have to keep doing again and again. Ingat sa pagplancha. Oo nga eh. Pero in fairness, itong plancha ko na to, sobrang sulit. Yung bili ko nito years ago. Di ko alam, baka wala pa akong high school nito. Sobrang tagal ko na itong plancha sa buhok. The bestest. Lagi ko na itong nababagsak. Kung ano-ano lahat na ng bansa na pinuntahan ko. Kasama ko itong plancha na to. Tapos maganda rin to pang kulot. Naka-add to cart na nga ako dito kasi sabi ko kung sakali one day masira na itong plancha ko. Kailangan ko siya mapalitan. Okay. Hindi ko ma-plancha yung malapit sa roots kasi natakot ako mapaso yung tenga ko. Okay, tapos na. Konti pa. Ganda ng highlight. Sobrang ganda. I love it. Good job, Sunny's Face. It's a slay. Ang brand ng plancha ay JML. Burado na ata yung brand. Ayan, 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 JML. Yung highlighter sa face was Sunny's face, pero yung ginamit ko sa nose tsaka sa brow bone was from Kiko Milano. Pang eyes talaga siya. Okay. I can't imagine, pag nanood ako ng Olivia Rodrigo, ako lang din mag-aayos sa sarili ko. Siguro kailangan 7 AM pa lang nag-aayos na ako. Hindi ko nga alam paano ko ma-achieve yung buhok ni Olivia na yung kulot niya. Ang ganda-ganda. Agoy. Yan, okay na yan. Ayoko na. Tignan nga. Pwede na. Papasadahan ko na lang to ulit. Mamaya. Pwede na. Okay, next section. Saan dapat ang hati ko? Gitna or side? KKK. Ate Grets, Ate Kichi, anong gusto nyo? Anong hinahanap nyo sa Amazon? Wag na. Ako na yan. Ano yan? Okay. Manifest mapansin. Hi, sis. Kasama ba si KD sa Olivia concert? No. Kami lang ni Pau. Kasi sobrang nahirapan na kami makabili ng ticket. Eh, hindi naman din familiar si KD masyado sa Olivia Rodrigo. Where's my boy KD? Hi, Mavi! He is not here. He is, somewhere over the rainbow doing his own racket. Nalay ka na po ba? Oo, kanina pa. Pero wala, ang kapal ng buhok. Wala pa tayo sa kalahati. Cry na lang. Think about me. Tsaka dapat pag nagpa-plancha, diba, hindi makakapal yung section ng hair. Pero pag masakit na yung kamay, tas pagod na, wala na kung makapal na yung section. Ayan. Yan, straight na siya. Wag lang sana talagang umulan mamaya kasi kukulot tong buhok ko. Thick by me, yabanaro. I'm working late because I'm a singer. Did you use hair protectant? Not right before, but after I took a bath, while it was damp, I put in all my heat protectants. But I couldn't bring it kasi I don't have a travel size. I don't have travel size protectant. I don't have travel size hairspray. And I don't want to bring my full size because I don't check in my luggage when I fly. Because it takes so much time waiting for your luggage sa counter, carousel, whatever. Eh, overnight lang naman kami usually pag nag-show. So, ayoko na magdala ng kung ano. Mapagtsatsagaan na to. Hi, Ate Vanessa! I miss you, Ate Vanessa. Nasa akin pa ang iyong hero, no? Okay, for this side, isa na lang. Hallelujah, praise the Lord. Yan. Okay, one side down. Ay, thank you. Next side. May PA ka na. Actually, yung kasama ko, si Ate Ami, hindi ko talaga siya PA before. Since bata pa lang yung ate ko siya na nag-aalaga sa amin. Forever na siya. Family. She is family. We are family. Okay. Then we will do this side. There. Let us try. Medyo makapal na yung sectioning, no? Pagod na eh. There. Yay! Oh, ito pa pala. Okay. Konti pa. Nagkakamuscle na ako sa kakaplansya. Maangat na yung lashes. Sabi kung titignan nyo, sobrang light lang naman ng makeup na nilagay natin. Ang sipag mo, Lex. Thank you, ate. Pero dati, grabe, nagdadala pa ako ng rollers, tapos nag-rollers pa ako. Tapos nung one show, yung huling show, ang tagal ko nag-makeup, get ready with me, nag-rollers pa ng buhok, isa-isa. Tapos, pagdating, umulan. So, bumagsak lang din ang aking kulot. Kaya, sabi ko, ay, ayoko na. Nami-miss ko na mga hairstylist ko. Miss ko na sila Jury tsaka si Justin. Te-end call ko na. Sige na, umalis na kayo. Matagal-tagal pa to. Nananalamin na lang ako dito. Kahit mawala lahat ng viewers, itutuloy ko lang to. Salamin-salamin sa dingding. Konti pa. Ay, shucks, makapal pa. It's a prank. Okay, we're gonna try and do this. Shout out, kasama niyo po ako umakit ng Taal dati. Umakit na ba ako ng Taal? Hindi ko na maalala. Jump back together, and if that's true, you'll just have to taste me when he's kissing you. Hindi ka ba pinagpapawisan? Hindi naman. So thankfully, perks of having dry skin, hindi ako pawisin, hindi ako hulasin. Okay, isang section na lang dito sa likod. Hi Alexa, congrats sa movie mo. Manonood ako sa October 9. Thank you! Thank you so much! Ang shiny ng hair. Thank you, ate. Magaling yung salon talaga na pinupuntahan ko, si Daol Salon. Nabuhay nila yung hair ko kahit kung ano-anong color na pinagpapagawa ko. Slay. Kaya mas madali talaga magkulot sa totoo lang. Kaya kung nagtataka kayo bakit ako palaging kulot, kasi mas madali. Nakakapagod mag-plancha. Okay, good luck. Aray. So, itong mga na-straight ko na, ilalagay ko muna sa likod. Para hindi sila mahalo. Isi-straight ko pala. Yun. Yan, okay. Okay. Ito na yung pinakamatagal kong live. Dahil nagplancha tayo ng buhok. Heard you back together, and if that's true, slay. Wish me luck sa bago kong trabaho. Good luck. God bless you. Hindi pa naman 6. Magpa 5:30 pa lang. I still got time. Abot yan, guys. Promise. Buzzer beater. Alam ko na, papainitin ko pa yung plancha ko. Para mas mabilis. Plancha pa lang workout na totoo. Kaka-muscle-muscle na yung arms ko, kaka-plancha. Okay, konti na lang sa side na to. Hallelujah. Pero may kabilang side pa. Ngayon pa ba tayo gi-give up? Hindi. Kaya natin to. Ayan, ito na lang. Let's go. Yay! Grabe talaga to si Ate Jonalyn. Hoy, ang tagal mo. Ate. Bye-bye. Blocked. Dali-dali lang naman mag-exit ng live. Di ko naman sinabing panoorin niya ng buo. I'm just a girl, you know. I'm just a girl. Ayan, straight na sa wakas. Ayan. Okay. Next. Medyo kulot na kulot pa tong side na to. I cry. Thank you to those who aren't rushing me. I don't get why people are rushing me. Wala naman bayad manood ng IG live, so pwede naman mag-exit anytime. Hala, hindi ko pala siya na section. Sorry. Okay, I will do this first. Okay, pagkatapos nito, i-end ko na, promise. There. Yay, okay, back. Again, the brand of my iron is JML. Konti na lang, guys. Konti na lang. Nakakaiyak. May yung brush saan mo nabili. This was a gift to me. But I think it's from the Body Shop. The Body. Okay, let's do this. Ay, baliktad. Sabi ko ganito. Mali. Baliktad. Yan. And there we have it. We are done. Hallelujah. After 3 hours, we are done. Are you guys proud? We're done. Hallelujah. Kaya pag umulan talaga mamaya, iyak na lang ako kasi kukulot na naman yung buhok ko pagkatapos kong straight. Yay! What's my deodorant? I don't remember the brand. Pero basta, ano siya, something invisible. Para hindi siya nagsistain pag naka-black. Yay! We're done. O, ayan. Sa mga nagmamadali, tapos na po tayo. Hi, Ate Neats! Tapos na tayo. Magbibihis na ako. Tapos, magpa-practice na ako ng aking song for the day. Na 1 million times ko naman ang kinanta. Pero still, practice pa rin tayo. Because practice makes perfect. Ang haba ng buhok. Humaba bigla, no? Nung naka-plancha na. Justin, if you're watching this, I hope you're proud of me. Jury, na-straight ko yung buhok ko. Yay, we're done. We're done, pero hindi pa rin ako matapos magdot-dot ng mukha, no? Pero hindi, ito na yon. So, mamaya magre-retouch na lang ako bago umalis. But yeah. This is it. This is it. This is it. This is it. It. Maraming salamat sa mga nagtiyagang manood. Sa mga hindi ako pinagmadali. Thank you so much. Thank you talaga. Ay, mali. Ay. Oh, dahil dyan mag-party-party tayo. Hindi, joke lang. Ayan. This is the look. Sobrang simple lang. Super light, super simple. It's giving shampoo commercial vibes. Diba? We're done. Hallelujah. Thank you guys so much for watching and for sticking around from start to finish. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed. Ngayon na lang ako ulit nakapag-live. It's been quite a long time. But yeah, I will see you later, Robinson's Naga. We are so excited to sing for you guys and to meet you guys later. See ya. So yeah, that's the makeup up close. The shiny best discovery of this whole look. My favorite is the Rhode blush on the Sunny's face highlighter and my Absidy lippy. Where is it? Where art thou? Where art thou? Why not upon me? See it in my mind, let's fulfill the prophecy. Who's the cute boy with the white jacket? Besties, get the look. These three. The best. Okay, I think it's time to say goodbye. Ang tagal na natin magkasama. Thank you so much for watching this live. Magbibihis na ako. See you guys next live. Thank you again. Don't forget, malapit na po ipalabas ang Mujige ngayong October 9 na po in SM Cinemas nationwide. Grab your friends, your family, whoever you want. And don't forget to bring your tissues because it's gonna make you cry. Goodbye! Di ako pwede mag-end live nang hindi ko natatanggal to kasi hindi ko mapipindot. So, goodbye. O, diba? Nabagsak pa. Ang galing. Okay, totoo na. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye. Bye!